Hey everyone, this is Sugarcoder. Thanks for tuning in. In this video, I am going to show you how I made delicious Ube Chiffon Cupcakes. First, I added the wet ingredients in a mixing bowl, excluding the egg whites. Once everything is mixed well, I added cooked ube and then mixed it well with the batter. The color should be light purple when you are done mixing. In a separate bowl, I whipped up the egg whites until they are stiff peak, and then I incorporated the egg white mixture into the other batter. Afterwards, I put the batter into a muffin pan and baked them. The ube cupcakes did not come out purple color after they were baked, which is totally fine. Once the Ube Chiffon Cupcakes cooled completely, I decorated the top with purple vanilla buttercream frosting and edible decorations. So have you tried ube before? Let me know in the comments. I hope that you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching and have a sweet day.